Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Once again, I'm back with another video. I think from the description itself, you would have got an understanding about today's trade in today's profits. I posted a previous video about this particular indicator, which is Lux Algo, which is giving me massive results. In fact, I I had to enter a trade on the basis of this particular signal, and I didn't expect this much of a return just within one day, right? So we'll talk about that today, and also get an understanding about how the market behaved today and what you can expect after this, right? So as you can see, I'm in the Nifty Bank chart, Banknifty chart of 15 minutes. You can see a buy signal right here, exactly at 10 a.m. and another sell signal at 11:30, right? So I precisely entered this particular trade once this signal was generated on that is yesterday, Thursday, and I didn't expect the market to gap up so much. I mean, sorry, gap down so much. And I bought an option, 35,500 put option. I think I bought somewhere around 170 or 175, I guess. I bought the put option on the basis of this. And I was expecting a small gap down so that I would probably book my profits with probably 1:2 or 1:1.5. My risk was around 15,000, and yeah, close to around 15,000, but market showed me a huge gap down, and I had to book the profits in the morning itself. Because the current sentiment of the market is kind of bullish itself on a midterm to short term. But these are the huge corrections which you can see, which has been happening this entire week. The market is too volatile. It is going up, going down. But if you look at in the daily chart, sorry, if you look at in the daily chart, the Lux Algo has given a sell signal, and you can expect the market to come down and touch this trend line. I'm expecting the market to come somewhere between 33,000, and once the market comes to 33,000, then we'll start buying the call option of 35,000, probably 36,000, probably for the month end expiry. For some of you guys who are not aware of what is option buying, I'll be creating a new series of option buying for beginners, to try and understand how options work. It is probably the great source of making a lot of money, with minimal investment. You could, if you had invested probably around 15-20,000 yesterday, you would have got somewhere around 60 to 70,000 as a return. That's like almost 300% return just in one day, right? So that's the magic of options, which people say it is the eighth wonder. Definitely, I mean, it's if you can see that kind of a return just in such a short span of time, I think it's a great way of making money. So if you look at the option chart, I entered somewhere between 11:30. Yeah, I entered somewhere here, which is around 160, yeah, around 165, and I exited right in the morning itself around 520, I guess. Yeah, so gave me a good return there, but unfortunately the market went up after that. I would have probably turned my 90,000 profit into probably around 2 lakhs. But yeah, You cannot expect, you as a trader, you should know that you will never be able to find, top and bottom. If you keep finding top and bottom, you would rather lose money than making money itself. So either you need to follow a rules of how much risk that you're going to take. Let's say you take 20,000 risk, and you need to earn more than your risk on a long run if you want to sustain in the stock market. So I mean, in specifically in option buying, you only need 30 to 40% accuracy. So if you're buying option strike price, let's say for 100 rupees, the option price might go 300, 400 if the market goes in your favor. The prices can go up, the way how it went. If you had invested around, let's say, 16,000 here, the market would have given you almost around 800 to 900% return. It would have turned into somewhere around 60, 70,000. If you see clearly, the market went up till 1,240. Yeah, and so your price from 160 what you bought, it went up till 1,240. Just imagine, in the span of one day, you've got closely around 900,000% return. If you had invested 10,000, you would have made 1 lakh just in a day. But that doesn't happen every day, guys. You need to understand that doesn't happen every day. Maybe since the market, right now trading at close to around 34, 35,000, even 1%, 2% move is nothing but around 700 points. So even if you are able to capture 500 to 600 points, you can consistently make money, even though if you are right 3 out of 10 times, 4 out of 10 times. Even though if you have 6 losing trades, the 3 winning trades will actually, make you profitable in the long run. So that's the magic of stock market, which no one tells you. Most people would rather, what they do is they invest 10,000 and they lose 10,000 entirely. If you're investing 10,000, you shouldn't be risking the entire 10,000. We will talk about that risk management later, the clear risk management tactics which you need to follow. So this is how the trade. Basically, we can expect the market to come down a little bit, but depends on where the market opens on Monday. So if it opens gap up, you could see a fresh buying happening. You can see market might go up a little bit, but anyway, relying on this particular indicator, which has given me a buy signal somewhere here, I should expect the market to go up. Anyway, we'll wait till Monday about how the trade would look like on Monday. I think if you do like to purchase this particular indicator, the link is in the description. Use a coupon code any20. Try it out for 1 month. I mean, it would give you massive results, specifically at this time when the market is so volatile. Even if you get, probably one single trade, or probably out of 3 trades that you perform, if you get 1 trade right, you can still make money in option buying. So we'll talk about that option buying strategies and everything in the coming days. Please do subscribe, to follow real content of investment and trading. There are so many things which have planned for the coming days. So for this particular channel, where we'll talk about a lot more important points, important topics, which will change your perception towards stock market. Okay, so please do subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you have anything that you want to know about this particular indicator, and also join the Telegram channel for more information if you are interested in knowing about what my strategy is and how I take trades. So I think that's pretty much it, guys. So we'll be posting few more videos in the coming days. So stay tuned. Yeah, thanks a lot. Bye bye.